Hello and welcome back. In the last section, we looked at various options of the caching and compression mechanisms and did a pretty decent job of essentially minimizing our time taken by our APIs. Okay, so the next thing is we want to go ahead and push this up to our GitHub repository and subsequently to our Heroku cloud provider. All right, so before I want to go ahead and do that, I want to make a quick change here to my essentially root route, and I'm going to say let's say welcome to Indicavi. Super, and we'll head over back to our command line here. Yeah, there we go. And if I do a git status, I should get all the stuff in here. Okay, excellent. I think the index.js is also there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the push to get script. Okay, I'm going to say performance related changes. Okay, and I'm just going to say caching and compression. Alright, super. And what else can we give the branch name? We're in 14 right now, and let's go ahead with 15.0, and this is going to be about performance improvement. Let me correct the typo here. Okay, so we should be good here right now. I'm going to essentially go ahead and push this up now. Okay, and this should make its way up, and let me check if I'm able to see those changes. So I'm going to bring my other window here. So we have the change here right now. I'm going to go ahead and compare and do a pull request. I don't think we need any environment related changes here. I don't think so let's go ahead and do a compare and pull request. It's able to merge, create a pull request, and it's checking the doing some checks, and we are good to go. I'm going to say confirm merge. Yeah, that's merged right now. Okay, so then this is going to essentially start the building process right now. If I go back, yeah, it actually detected the changes and it started the building here, and we're going to come back once it is up and running. Alright, it's up and running and it's deployed. Let's go here and then take a quick view of the logs, and we should be getting some clean logs, obviously. Yeah, and it's up and running here. Okay, I'm gonna go open the app here, and it says welcome to Indicavi. Super. And the next thing we want to do is go here and reload this whole thing. I'm gonna keep the inspection tabs open. In fact, I can go ahead and clear everything down there. Let me go ahead and in fact, what I'm gonna do though is do an empty cache and har reload. Okay, yeah, this is up and running, and I'm going to go browse here. The first time around, yeah, we're getting some timings like 990 milliseconds for right now. Okay, all right. Yeah, the health check is taking quite a bit of time actually. Okay, 990 milliseconds, and if I go back and I'm going to clear this, go back and reload. This time around it's 50 milliseconds for categories, and niches is about 60 milliseconds. That's pretty nice. Okay, I thought that this was going to be used from the disk. I'm not sure if it actually did that, because the response header was immutable here. What if I did so let's check the response headers here quickly. So this is for 1 day, immutable, public, and it's going to be caching here. Alright, so I'm going to go over back to here and just check in terms of what we're getting here. We should be getting something related to the cache for sure. This is all processes. I don't know if it actually logs all those things that we log here. Okay, these are predominantly HTTP related requests. Okay, it's health, this is health, dishes. So if I if I go back and reload this page, let's go ahead and redo that. I think that's gonna be good. So I'm gonna go back to browse, and look at that, it's 1.3 seconds right now, because it's all coming from 1.3 seconds. That's a lot. Did we actually make that request? Apparently yes, we did make that request. Dishes. I think it is, Netlify is not necessarily honoring the cache control headers, if I'm correct, because right now the cache control header is not taking into, it's not effective at all. Okay, and I also want to check here if you can see our compression headers. I don't get to see them right now. I don't get to see the compression headers at all. Yeah. Okay, so if I go back here again, and let's say I resend this, let me go ahead and, in fact, I'm gonna go here and come back again. Let's see what happens. It's still taking that much amount of time here. That's a bit strange, because we should have had our, right now the category is taking 1.3 seconds. That's a lot of time. Yeah, but the dishes is taking better timing, in my opinion. Okay, and if I resend this, let's go ahead and resend this. If I resend, what happens? No, it's actually 611 seconds, 11 milliseconds. Not a whole lot of change. Replay. Yeah, I was expecting something in milliseconds, but I think obviously it's not taking it from the disk. I hope. Oh, we have disabled the cache. That's a problem. My goodness me. Alright, that could be the issue here. Okay, let's try this all over again, okay? I'm going to go here again and clear the cache, come back in. Okay, first time around, this is getting from cache right now. Super. Okay, this is happening for the dishes. Let's see if it also happens for the categories. Okay, I'm gonna, let's see what headers we got here in terms of response. We didn't get the caching headers. I hope we got it here. Yeah, we did get it here. Ideally, we should have gotten it here as well. We didn't get it. Okay, if I resend it, what happens? Replay. Response header. Yeah, interesting. Why am I not getting the cache headers here for the categories? This is strange, because I'm pretty sure we got it in place. Let's see. The category. We got cache control here. It's pretty much the same thing. I think what could also be happening is that we need this in both the places, because subsequently if it's getting from the cache, we should also be able to get it in here. Okay, so in both the cases we need that. Yeah, so let's head over back to the dish as well and put it in there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna head over to fetch dishes. Yeah, right here. Okay, I'm gonna, in fact I'm setting it in both the places, I think. Yeah, fetch dishes, I'm setting it in both places. That could be the reason why one of them is getting that and the other one is not. Okay, that makes sense right now. If I resend this, I think it's getting it from the cache. Let's say it's getting it from the cache, and yeah, that's why I'm not getting. Yeah, this time around get it. Yeah, super. So if I resend again, yeah, this is getting from the disk right now. Super. Okay, so let's see. I mean, we can actually test it right now. I'm gonna say, yeah, it's boom. Straight away we're getting everything. It's like pretty much like a desktop. You're executing it in a desktop mode. Yeah, excellent. Wow, extremely proud of this. Yeah, Absolutely no delay whatsoever. And even the images, right? So if I go back to the images right now, not inspector source, I want to go back to the inspect mode. Yeah, Control-Shift-I, that's the shortcut. And if I go here to the network, interestingly, why doesn't it list the images here? Let's go back to Firefox here. Okay, I'm going to essentially go ahead and reload this. Okay, hold on. Interesting, that doesn't reload at all. Yeah, this is getting it from cached, 129 seconds. And if I go here, and let's look at the images, by the way. Yeah, everything is cached right now. Okay. So we shouldn't be sending these requests again. And let's see, if let's clear this and go back to the landing page and come back in again. Super, it's all pretty nice right now. This is cached. 0 milliseconds for the dishes, yeah, because it's getting it from the cached. This request is not even going out, okay? This is something to do with our caching header, which was not set earlier. And then if I replay this, let's go ahead and replay this. Resend. Yeah, this time around it's coming back as, I don't know. It says cached, but actually what we can do though, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just, juxtapose them next to each other, okay? And I'm going to essentially send this dishes API again because it shouldn't essentially be going there. I just want to make sure this doesn't scroll, yeah? That is the whole idea. I'm going to reset. Yeah, it does get it. Sending a cached version, interestingly. And let's see, if I go back here, let me go back here, clear this. I want to go in here, go to the catalog. I shouldn't be seeing dishes here. Yeah, I don't see the dishes here right now. Or was it this one? Yeah, it was the earlier one. Right now we didn't get it, okay? So let me do it once more. I'm going to go here, go to the catalog again. I am getting help and I'm getting category. That's all. I'm not getting it for dishes. Super. Excellent, guys. Yeah, this is working fine. The only thing that we need to do is check in the code for the categories now, because apparently we are not setting the header when we are fetching that from the cache. Yeah. All right. So this is great progress, and let's take a pause here and come back and then continue to work on our next few non-functional requirements, and then continue to work on the check-in also, because we need to check in the category component for the setting of the header there, right? Let's take a brief pause and come back and continue to work on that.